ሰላም በዚህ ዓመት የ8ኛ ክፍል ሚኒስትሪ ተፈታኝ ከሆናችሁ ይህ የ2018 ሁለተኛ ሴሚስተር እንግሊሽ ሞዴል ኤግዛም 60 ጥያቄዎች ከነመልሳቸው የሚያብራራ ቪዲዮ ነው። ስለዚህ ሙሉውን እንድታዩ ትጋብዛችኋለሁ። የመጀመሪያው ፓርት 1 ሪዲንግ ኮምፕሬንሽን ነው። ጋ 10 questions 10 ጥያቄዎች አሉት። Read the questions carefully, read the passage carefully and then choose the best answer for the questions that follow it. Write the letter of your choice in the separate answer sheet provided. Technology has become an inseparable part of modern life, especially for young people. Its advantages are numerous and powerful. With a smartphone or computer, a student has instant access to a universe of information. Online encyclopedias, educational videos, and digital libraries make learning about any topic possible with a few clicks. Technology also connects us in an amazing way. Social media and messaging apps allow friends to stay in touch across cities or even continents. It has also opened up new avenues for creativity, allowing students to make videos, compose music, or code their own games, sharing their work with a global audience. However, the same devices that offer so much can also be a major source of distraction. The constant ping of notifications from social media, games, and messages can make it incredibly difficult for students to focus on homework or even have a face-to-face conversation. It is easy to fall into a habit of endlessly scrolling through feeds, losing track of time. This constant connectivity can lead to procrastination, lower grades, and less time spent on physical activity or hobbies. The very tool designed to help us learn can become the biggest obstacle to getting work done. Another serious disadvantage of our digital world is the spread of misinformation. Because anyone can post anything online, it's often hard to tell the difference between a fact, an opinion, and an outright lie. False stories and misleading headlines can spread across the internet in minutes, fooling millions of people. For students researching a school project, this presents a huge challenge. They must learn to be critical thinkers, carefully checking the source of information and comparing it with other reliable sites before accepting it as true. Without these skills, it's easy to be misled. Ultimately, technology is like a powerful tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we use it. Used wisely, it can be a gateway to knowledge, creativity, and connection. Used poorly, it can lead to isolation, distraction, and confusion. The key for students is to find a healthy balance. This means setting limits on screen time, being mindful of online distractions, and always questioning the information they find. By developing digital habits, young people can harness the incredible power of technology while avoiding its potential pitfalls, ensuring it remains a helpful servant, not a demanding master. So number 1 says, what is the main source of distraction mentioned in paragraph 2? The high cost of new devices, the difficulty of using educational apps, constant notifications from social media and games, the large size of modern smartphones. The answer is C. We can go and check. As you can see on paragraph 2, it says the constant ping of notifications from social media, games, and messages can make it incredibly difficult to students to focus on homework or even have a face-to-face distraction or a major source of distraction. So C is correct. Number 2, according to paragraph 3, why is misinformation a serious problem for students? A. It makes the internet load slowly. B. It can mislead them when they are researching for projects. The answer is this one. We can find here on paragraph 3. This is paragraph 3. False stories and misleading headlines can spread across the internet in minutes for millions of people. For students researching a school project, this presents a huge challenge. So they must learn to be critical thinkers, carefully checking the source of information and comparing it with other reliable sites before accepting it as true. The answer is B. What about number 3? What is the key for students suggested in paragraph 4? Paragraph 4 ላይ የተጠቀሰው ቁልፍ ነገር ለተማሪዎች የተባለው ምንድን ነው? A. To stop using technology completely. ቴክኖሎጂ መጠቀም ማቆም. To only use technology for school work. ለትምህርት ብቻ መጠቀም. To buy the newest and fastest devices. አዳዲስ እና በጣም ፈጣን ዲቫይሶችን መግዛት. To find a healthy balance in how they use technology. ቴክኖሎጂ የሚጠቀሙበትን አጠቃቀማቸውን ማመጣጠን ጤናማ ማድረግ እና ማመጣጠን. So this is the answer, okay? On the last paragraph it says the key for students is to find a healthy balance. Number 4. What does the author most likely believe about the role of technology in our lives? A. It has both good and bad aspects and we must manage them. B. It's purely positive and has no downsides. C. It's purely negative and should be avoided. D. Its impact is the same for every person. The answer is it has both good and bad aspects and we must manage them. መጥፎም ጎን አለው ጥሩም ጎን አለው ማመጣጠን አለብን ብሎ ነው የሚያምነው ጸሐፊው ከጽሁፉ እንደተረዳ ነው ማለት ነው። Number 5. What does it as used in paragraph 1 line 6 refers to? It የሚለው ምን ለማለት ነው? Paragraph 1 line 6. The first paragraph line 6. It means this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. ይሄኛው ማለት ነው። እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄዎችን ለመመለስ we go back 1 line or 2 line back. አንድ ወይም ሁለት መስመር ወደ ኋላ መመለስ አለብን ለማግኘት። So let's start from this one. Technology also connects us in amazing ways. Social media and messaging apps allow friends to stay in touch across cities or even continents. It has also opened up new avenues for creativity. አዲስ መንገዶችን ፈጥሯል ለፈጠራ አዲስ መንገዶችን ፈጥሯል። ምንድነው የፈጠረው? That is technology, right? ቴክኖሎጂ ነው አዲስ ነገሮችን የፈጠረው። The answer is technology. Number 6 says, paragraph 2 line 4, the phrase this constant connectivity refers to what situation? Paragraph 2 line 4, this constant connectivity. A. Being unable to connect to the internet ጋር connect ማድረግ አለመቻል. B. Always being connected to friends and social media via devices. በዲቫይሶቻችን ሶሻል ሚዲያ እና ጓደኞቻችን ጋር ሁል ጊዜ መገናኘት. C. Having a very slow internet connection. ደካማ የሆነ ኢንተርኔት. D. Only using the internet for homework. ኢንተርኔትን ለቤት ስራ ብቻ መስራት. The answer is B. Always being connected to friends and social media via devices. We can go to this specific place. እዚህ ጋር ቦታ ብንሄድ paragraph 2 line 4 እዚህ ጋር ማለት ነው this one. So this constant connectivity can lead to procrastination, lower grades and less time. Which constant ምን ማለት ነው? So it is easy to fall into a habit of endlessly scrolling through feeds, losing track. ስልካችንን ከፍተን ስክሮል እያደረግን ምንም ማቆሚያ የሌለው ማለት ነው። endless ለረጅም ጊዜ ስክሮል እያደረግን ስትቆይ ጓደኞቻችን ጋር ስናወራ that's this constant connectivity የሚለው ይሄንን ነው ማለት ነው። Number 7. What does the phrase its potential pitfalls as used in paragraph 4 line 6 refer to? The problem its potential pitfall ምን ማለቱ ነው? The problems and disadvantages of technology mentioned earlier, the helpful features of new apps, the amazing advantages of technology, the physical weight of laptops and phones. The answer is this one. The problems and disadvantages of technology. የቴክኖሎጂ ጉዳቶችና ችግሮቹ ማለቱ ነው። Potential pitfalls. Which one of the following is closest in meaning with the word avenues in paragraph 1? Paragraph 1 avenue የሚላለ እሱ ጋር ተመሳሳይ የሆነ የትኛው ነው? That is path or opportunity. ኦኬ ኦፖርቹኒቲ ወይም ፓዝ የሚለው ተመሳሳይ ነው አቬኑ ከአገባቡ ማለት ነው ከአገባቡ ተነስተን which of the following best describes the word procrastination procrastination የሚለው ምን ማለት ነው procrastination ማለት actually ዛሬ ነገ ማለት ነገሮችን ወደፊት ማስተላለፍ ማለት ነው አሁን ሰራዋለሁ ቆይቼ ሰራዋለሁ or something እንደዛ ያለን working hard to finish a task quickly ቶሎ ታስክን አንድን ስራ ለመጨረስ ጠንክሮ መስራት the act of delaying or putting off important work አንድ ጠቃሚ የሆነ ነገርን ማቆየት ማስተላለፍ a feeling of great happiness ከፍተኛ ደስታ a type of computer program የኮምፒውተር ፕሮግራም አይነት ነው the answer is B the act of delaying or putting off important work number 10 in paragraph 3 lines 3 the word misleading most nearly means misleading ምን ማለት ነው it means completely true and accurate ሙሉ በሙሉ እውነት እና ትክክል የሆነ very boring and uninteresting በጣም የሚደብርና ተፈላጊነት የሌለው likely to cause someone to believe something that is not true ስህተት የሆነ ነገር እንዲያምን መድረግ easy to understand ለመረዳት ቀላል so the answer is C likely to cause someone to believe something that is not true አንድን ሰው ትክክል ያልሆነ ነገር እንዲያምን ማድረግ ማለት ነው misleading the next one is communication so number 11 it says why did Abel go to Aksum አቤል ለምንድን ነው ወደ አክሱም የሄደው Eliana answers what he must have reached by now አሁን መድረስ አለበት አሁን ይደርሳል that's not an answer he has been there several times በጣም ብዙ ጊዜ እኮ ነው የሄደው መልስ አይሆንም in order to attend a conference ስብሰባ ኮንፈረንስ ለመሳተፍ ነው that is the answer okay the question needs a reason ጥያቄ መልስ ምክንያት ነው የሚፈልገው so in order to attend a conference for a few more days says ለትንሽ ቀናት ነው የሚለው this is also wrong number 12 I believe that learning a musical instrument should be mandatory in schools የሙዚቃ መሳሪያዎችን በትምህርት ቤት መማር ግዴታ ነው ብዬ አምናለሁ አለ ኮከብ or አለች I don't know if it's the name of a girl or a boy then let me say what you can understand from this ከዚህ ነው የምንረዳው it helps with brain development and discipline ስርዓት እንዲይዙ ልምድ የሆነ ጥሩ ልምድ እንዲኖራቸውና በአእምሮ እድገትም ከፍተኛ ጥቅም አለው ያግዛል I couldn't agree more the answer is I couldn't agree more ይሄ ማለት it seems negative ይመስላል ግን በጣም እስማማለሁ ማለት ነው I couldn't agree more okay በደንብ ነው መስማማው ማለት ነው the answer is D 13ኛ it's a conversation between Darartu and Masfin Darartu says something and Masfin says I'm not so sure I think it might rain later so it looks like it's going to be a sunny day I love rainy days the weather forecast was wrong again did you bring your umbrella the answer is it looks like it's going to be a sunny day ዛሬ ፀሐያማ ቀን ይመስለኛል አለች ደራርቱ so መስፍን says I am not so sure እርግጠኛ አይደለሁም I think it might rain later ምናልባት መጨረሻ ቆይቶ ሊዘንብ ይችላል that is the answer is A number 14 we should study together for the test ለፈተና ባንድ ማጥናት አለብን it helps to review with someone አንድ ሰው ጋር ባንድ ሆኖ መከለስ ያግዛል so Ben says what working with others distracts me too much ሌሎች ጋር መስራት በጣም ዲስትራክት ያደርገኛል ማለት ሐሳቤን ይሰርቀኛል ወይም ደግሞ በደንብ ፎከስ ማድረግ አልችልም እያለ ነው so it means he doesn't agree with Anna ጋር አይስማማም ማለት ነው so which one is correct I feel the same way እኔም እንደዛ ነው የማስበው ይሄ አይሆንም okay you have a point ልክ ብለሃል ሐሳብ ልክ ነው but ነገር ግን okay so እዚህ ጋር but ስለተጠቀመ the answer is this one but working with others distracts me too much ያልከው ነገር ትክክል ነው ግን ለኔ ደግሞ ሰዎች ጋር መስራት ዲስትራክት ያደርገኛል ማለት ነው ሌሎቹን ብታዩዋቸው አይሆንም I couldn't agree more በጣም እስማማለሁ ማለት ነው አይስማማም that's a great idea በጣም አሪፍ ሐሳብ ነው እዚህ ጋር አብሮ አይሄድም እዚህ ጋር but ስላለ ሁለቱም ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ባንድ ያደርግልናል። the answer is B. Number 15, I think that climate change is the most important issue we face today. የአየር ንብረት ለውጥ አሁን ላይ ትልቅ ችግር ያለብን ችግር ነው ብዬ አስባለሁ አለች አና። Ben says dash we need to do something about it immediately. የሆነ ነገርማ ማድረግ አለብን አሁኑኑ የሆነ እርምጃ መውሰድ አለብን አለ። ስለዚህ ምን ያደርጋል ማለት ነው? ይስማማል ማለት ነው። the answer is I completely agree. ሙሉ በሙሉ እስማማለሁ ማለት ነው። number 16, it's a conversation between colleague 1 and colleague 2. colleague 1 says we need to improve our customer service. colleague 2 dash I have had a few complaints myself recently. እኔም በራሴ አንድ ቅሬታ አጋጥሞኛል። ኦኬ የተወሰኑ ቅሬታዎች አጋጥመውኛል አለ። ስለዚህ ይስማማል ማለት ነው። we need to improve our customer service. የደንበኞች አገልግሎትን ማሻሻል አለብን ነው ኮሊጓን የመጀመሪያው ኮሊግ ያለው። ሁለተኛውም ይስማማል ማለት ነው። እኔም ቅሬታ ቀርበውብኛል ስለዚህ እንደሚስማማ ያሳያል። you must be joking. እየቀለድክ ነው እንዴ? አይሆንም። that is not how I say it. እኔ እንደዛ አይደለም የሚመስለኝ። ይሄም አይሆንም። I don't think so. እንደዛ አላስብም። ይሄም አይሆንም። I couldn't agree more. በጣም እስማማለሁ ማለት ነው። I couldn't agree more ብዙ ጊዜ የተደጋገመ ነው አሁን እንዳየነው። so you need to understand it። ይሄኛው በጣም እስማማለሁ ኔጌቲቭ ይመስላል ግን እስማማለሁ ማለት ነው። 17ኛ ጥያቄ it's a conversation between teacher and student. the teacher says for our project would you rather work alone or in group? ለፕሮጀክቱ ብቻህን ትሰራለህ ወይስ በግሩፕ ብሎ ነው የጠየቀው። the student says dash I can focus better by myself. በራሴ ብቻዬን ብሰራ ማለት ነው። I can focus better ፎከስ ለማድረግ እችላለሁ ብቻዬን ብሰራ ይሻለኛል እያለ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ I would rather work in group በግሩፕ ብሰራ ይሻለኛል። that's wrong. I prefer to work alone. that's right. ብቻዬን ብሰራ ይሻለኛል ማለት ነው። it doesn't matter to me ለኔ ምንም ችግር የለውም ሁለቱም ይቻላል ማለት ነው። ይሄ አይሆንም። groups are more fun. በግሩፕ መስራት ደስ ይላል ነው። that's wrong based on the student's opinion. okay 18ኛ can I help you find anything? ምንድነው የሆነ ነገር ላፋልግ እችላለሁ የጠፋብህ ነገር አለ ማለት ነው። right? no thanks. አይ አመሰግናለሁ። I'm just looking. I need your help now. Give me everything. Leave me alone. so I'm just looking. የሆነ ነገር እኮ እያየሁ ነው። this is the answer. ሌሎቹን እስኪ እናያቸው። I need your help now. እገዛህን እፈልጋለሁ። ይሄ አይሆንም ምክንያቱም no thanks አመሰግናለሁ ስላለ ማለት ነው። give me everything ሁሉንም ነገር ስጠኝ. this is also not possible. leave me alone ብቻዬን ተወኝ እስኪ። ይሄ ደግሞ አይሆንም። ለምን? it is not polite ስላልሆነ። okay the answer is A. 19ኛ I am really sorry I'm late. the traffic was terrible. በጣም ይቅርታ ስላረፈድኩኝ። the traffic was terrible በጣም ትራፊክ ነበር ማለት ነው። ከፍተኛ ትራፊክ ነበር። so Lisa says what? let's just order our food. እሺ በቃ ምግባችንን እንዘዝ። so don't worry about it. ችግር የለውም ምንም አትጨነቅ ማለት ነው። you should have left earlier. በጧት መነሳት ነበረብህ እኮ። that's not my problem. እሱ የኔ ችግር አይደለም። I am really angry. በጣም ተናድጃለሁ። the answer is A. number 20 Dagim and Nathan. Dagim says dash my name is Dagim. pleased to meet you Dagim. my name is Nathan. so which one is the question for this one? what is your name? how are you? how do you do? what is new? እዚህ ጋር እንደምናየው my name is Dagim. what is your name ብለን ብናስገባ እስኪ ያስቡት። what is your name? my name is Dagim. ማነው ስሜ ዳግም ይባላል። አይሆንም ራሱ እየመለሰ ነው አይደል? so this is wrong. ይሄ አይሆንም ማለት ነው። how are you እንዴት ነህ? my name is Dagim የምትጠይቁት ሰው ልክ መጀመሪያ ገና how are you ብላችሁ አትጠይቁም። so the answer is how do you do? okay አንድን ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ያገኛችሁትን ሰው you can say how do you do? my name is Dagim. አንደኛው ጥያቄ the city's new traffic plan is designed to improve safety for dash crossing the main street. the city's new traffic plan የአዲሱ የትራፊክ ፕላን የከተማው ትራፊክ ፕላን ምንድነው? የእግረኞችን የማቋረጫ ደህንነት እንዲጠብቅ ተደርጎ ነው የተዘጋጀው። የተሻሽሎ ነው የተዘጋጀው ለማለት ነው። ሶ እግረኞች means pedestrian. okay, safety for pedestrians crossing the main street. Number 22, the view from the mountain top was absolutely stunning, leaving everyone speechless. ሁሉም ሰው ተገርሞ የሚያየው በቃ በጣም it was amazing. okay, number 23, the university offers specialized course in dash covering the care and breeding of farm animals. The answer is animal husbandry. Number 24, the city reported zero traffic last month thanks to the new speed limit cameras and safe road designs. መንገዶቹ በጥሩ ሁኔታ ዲዛይን ስለተደረጉና የስፒድ ካሜራ ፍጥነትን የሚቆጣጠር ካሜራ ስለተገጠመ ባለፈው ወር ምንም አይነት የትራፊክ ፋታሊቲ ጉዳት traffic fatalities we say. The others can't be answers. Number 25, the team worked day and night to dash the difficult task of building a new community center before winter arrived. That's accomplished. Number 26, please be dash when you handle the glasses. They break easily. The answer is C. Please be careful. We don't say please be care or be careless or carelessly. We say careful. ከ27 እስከ 30 ደግሞ እነዚህን ፍሬዞች የሚተካ ቃል ነው። The school's English club is organizing a collection of money event to buy new computers. የትምህርት ቤቱ እንግሊዘኛ ክበብ አባላት ወይም የእንግሊዘኛ ክለብ የገንዘብ ማሰባሰብ ስራ እየሰሩ ነው አዳዲስ ኮምፒውተሮችን ለመግዛት። So collection of money ገንዘብ መሰብሰብ it means fundraising. The answer is A. Number 28, the biologist explained how species develop gradually over millions of years to adapt to their environment. The answer is develop gradually means evolve. Number 29, the new advertising campaign is designed to give a major increase to sales and attract younger customers. The new advertising campaign አዲሱ የማስታወቂያ ስራ is designed to give a major increase. ዲዛይን የተደረገው ወጣት ከስተመሮችን ለመሳብ በከፍተኛ ሁኔታ ለመሳብ ተደርጎ ነው የተዘጋጀው። that is boost በከፍተኛ ሁኔታ ለመጨመር ማለት ነው boost. 30, during the holiday season the shopping district becomes so congested with people and cars that it is nearly impossible to walk through. ለመሄድ እንኳን አስቸጋሪ የሚሆንበት ሁኔታ ነው ያለው በበዓል ሰዓት ላይ። congested means crowded በጣም የተሞላ በጣም የተዘጋጋ ማለት ነው። በሰዎችና በመኪናዎች የተዘጋጋ ነው የሚሆነው። ከ31 እስከ 46 it means like 16 questions. It's grammar question. 31ኛ they didn't want to go to the movie because they dash it already. So we're saying have seen, had seen. The answer is had seen. Why? Because it says they didn't want to go to the movie. ወደ ሙቪው መሄድ አልፈለጉም because they had seen it already. ስላዩት ማለት ነው። አሁን እዚህ ጋር ሁለቱ ፓስት አክሽን ናቸው። መጀመሪያ ሙቪውን አይተውታል had seen። እዚህ ጋር ፓስት ፐርፌክት እንጠቀማለን። ሁለቱም in the past ናቸው። okay, don't forget that. ሁለቱም in the past ናቸው። ለመጀመሪያው ሁለቱም in the past ስለሆኑ መጀመሪያ ለተፈጠረው ፓስት ፐርፌክት እንጠቀማለን had seen, had plus verb 3። ሁለተኛ ለተፈጠረው ደግሞ verb 2 እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። number 32, we missed the bus. ባሱ አምልጦናል። when we dash at the stop the bus had already left. ይሄም እንደዛው እዚሁ ጋር ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄ ነው። when we dash at the stop መኪናው ጋር ባስ ማቆሚያው ጋር ስንደርስ the bus had already left. መኪናው ሄዷል መጀመሪያ። ኦኬ ሶ መኪናው ሄዷል ቀድሞ የተፈጠረ ድርጊት ነው። had left እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት had left had plus verb 3 ቀጥሎ የተፈጠረው ደግሞ እኛ ደረስን ነው የሚለው arrived verb-ቱን እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። the answer is A. Number 33 our school play dash at 7 p.m. tomorrow evening. My parents are coming to watch me. The answer is begins. Number 34 my brother agreed dash me with my science project. Helped. The answer is to help. Why? Because this agreed is followed by 2 plus verb 1. Infinitive with 2 plus verb 1. Always እንደዚህ ጋር agree የሚል ከመጣ 2 plus verb 1 በዚህ ነው የሚከተለው ማለት ነው። The answer is C. 35 She practiced dash the piano for 2 hours every day. The answer is playing. Because after the word practice or practiced, we always use verb ing. ሌሎችም አሉ. You can refer on the grade 7 textbook. She practiced, then we expect verb ing. Enjoy በተመሳሳይ enjoy የሚለው ቢመጣ ከሱ ቀጥሎ verb ing እንጠቀማለን። ሌሎችም በጣም ብዙ አሉ. Please refer to your textbook. 36ኛ I will meet you dash the library dash Wednesday afternoon dash 4 p.m. to return our books. እዚህ ጋር preposition ነው። the library የሚለው specific ቦታ ነው. so at the library የመጀመሪያው at the library ያ ማለት this cannot be an answer. የመጀመሪያው at መሆን አለበት ሶስቱም። ይሄኛው ደግሞ Wednesday ለሳምንት ቀናት Monday, Tuesday up to Sunday we use on. ስለዚህ ይሄኛው in ይላል መልስ አይሆንም ማለት ነው። ከሁለቱ ደግሞ እንለይ። የመጨረሻው 4 p.m. ይላል። ለሰዓት የምንጠቀመው in ሳይሆን at ነው። the answer is D. 37ኛ the phone is ringing. Don't worry, I dash it. Will answer. I'm going to answer. Answered. The answer is will answer. I will answer it. ልክ እዚህ ጋር a ሲናገር ነው ወዳው ነው የወሰነው። the phone is ringing ስልኩ እየጮኸ ነው። don't worry, I will answer it. ወዳው ይሄ ሲናገር a ላይ ያለው ሰውዬ ሲናገር ነው ይሄን ውሳኔ የወሰነው። in this case we use will. ነገር ግን pre-planned የሆነ action going to እንጠቀማለን። Number 38 the students dash to the museum every year. Every year indicates we have to use present tense, but it is passive as you can see from the choice. Is taken, takes, are taken, was taken. The students የሚለው plural ነው። ስለዚህ is የሚለው መልስ አይሆንም ምክንያቱም plural ስለሆነ። was የሚለው መልስ አይሆንም plural ስለሆነ። ኤምኤስ አለው actually ምንም ኮንፊውዝ የሚያደርግ እንኳን መልስ የለውም። the answer is C. the students are taken to the museum every day, but it is passive present tense አይደለም ምክንያቱም active አይደለም። passive ቢሆን ከverb to be ቀጥለን verb ing እንጠቀም ነበር። verb 3 መጠቀም አንችልም። but because it is passive voice ስለሆነ ነው ይሄን የተጠቀምነው። 39ኛ dash your parents ever dash to your school for an event. እዚህ ጋር have plus verb 3 it's present perfect tense. have እና verb 3 ነው የምንጠብቀው። have your parents ever plus verb 3 ከነዚህ ውስጥ verb 3 የትኛው ነው? come. okay come የሚለው ነው verb 3. the answer is B. ለምን ይሄኛው አልሆነም? has የሚለው singular but this one your parents የሚለው plural ነው። ስለዚህ have ነው የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው። 40ኛ ጥያቄ my new phone is not dash my old phone. the old one had a better camera. so good than, better than, as good as, the best. so my new phone is not as good as my old one አዲሱ ስልኬ እንደ ድሮ አይሆንም ማለት ነው። አዲሱ ስልኬ እንደ ድሮ ስልኬ አይሆንም። I dashed the music when someone dashed on the door እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ የሚያሳየው ሁለት ቴንሶችን እንዴት እንደምንጠቀም ነው። There is one long action which is listening to music እንደዚህ ረጅሙን ድርጊት we use present past continuous I was listening እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ አጭር መካከል ላይ ሙዚቃ እያዳመኩ ያለ በሩ ተንኳኳ። This is a short interrupting action. That's why we use verb to. እዚህ ጋር knocked የሚለውን verb to እንጠቀማለን። The answer is B. I was listening to music. ሙዚቃ እያዳመኩ ነበር when someone knocked on the door. በር አንድ ሰው ሲያንኳኳ ማለት ነው። 42ኛ ጥያቄ Let's go to the beach. Dash. Shall we? Do we? Don't we? Shall they? እዚህ ጋር tag question ነው። Let's whatever comes with it. Let's የሚል ካለ the answer is gonna be shall we. Okay? Shall we? Let's go to the beach. ወደ መዝናኛ ቢች እንሂድ። So shall we? እንሂድ አይደል? Okay እንደዛ እንደማለት ነው። All right. My phone dash I bought only last month I already know is not already working properly. The answer is which. Why? Because the others this one and this one are used with people. እነዚህ ሰው ጋር ነው ለሰዎች ነው የምንጠቀመው። when is used to express time ለጊዜ ነው የምንጠቀመው። እዚህ ጋር ግን ስልኩን ነው which. My phone which I bought only last month ባለፈው የገዛሁት ስልክ ማለት ነው is already not working properly. 44ኛ my friends dash go out they are always at home ሁልጊዜ ቤት ናቸው። ስለዚህ they never go out. My friends never go out. 45ኛ ጥያቄ if I had $1 billion I dash everything necessary to my life. እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት had plus verb 3 የመጀመሪያው had አለ then this one comes as verb 3 እንደ verb 3 ሆኖ ነው የመጣው። If I had $1 billion $1 billion ቢኖረኝ ኖሮ I dash everything necessary to my life በህይወት የሚያስፈልጉ ነገሮች አሟላ ነበር። The answer is would have had. እዚህ ጋር would have plus verb 3 እንጠቀማለን። conditional type 3 ነው ማለት ነው። You can check it. conditional type 3. 46ኛ ጥያቄ The manager decided to dash the project because of lack of funds. በገንዘብ እጥረት ምክንያት lack of funds ፕሮጀክቱ ምን ሊያደርገው ይችላል? ኮንቲኒው ማስቀጠል ሳይሆን ዲስኮንቲኒው ሊያቋርጠው ወሰነ ማለት ነው። decided to discontinue ሊያቋርጠው ወስኗል the ፕሮጀክቱን because of lack of funds ገንዘብ ስላጠረው። 47ኛ if I had his email address የሱ ኢሜል አድሬስ ቢኖረኝ ኖሮ I would send him the ዶኩመንቱን ልክለት ነበር። means የዚህ አረፍተ ነገር ምን ማለት ነው? The answer is D. I don't have his email address. ኢሜል አድሬሱ የለኝም so I cannot send the document. ስለዚህ ዶክመንቱን መላክ አልችልም ለሱ ማለት ነው። ከ47 እስከ 49 ደግሞ ራይቲንግ ላይ ፎከስ ያደረገ ነው። እነዚህ ሁለቱ ጥያቄዎች በቅደም ተከተል they are like jumbled words አስተካክለን አረፍተ ነገር መስራት ነው። Rooster every loudly morning crows thee. So the answer is the rooster crows loudly every morning. It is C. Okay, the rooster crows loudly every morning. መጀመሪያ ሰብጀክቱ ይመጣል then the verb ከዛ በኋላ adverb then every morning. It's a time expression. 49ኛ cat slept the old peacefully grey. Okay, the old grey cat slept peacefully. The grey old cat. The answer is A. The old grey cat slept peacefully. እና B የሚለያዩት the only difference is order of adjectives. በአድጀክቲቮቹ ኦርደር ነው። ስለዚህ የአድጀክቲቮቹን ኦርደር ማየት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር አለላችሁ ሪፈር አድርጉ። A is correct. 50ኛ ጥያቄ punctuation ላይ ፎከስ የሚያደርገው is everyone all right? The man asked. Is everyone alright? Asked the man. Is everyone alright? Asked the man. Is everyone alright? Asked the man. So the answer is this one. እና ቢ የሚለያየው ምንድነው? አንደኛው ይሄ ኢንቨርትድ ሆኗል። አስክድ ደማን ደማን አስክድ የሚለው አስክድ ደማን። ሁለተኛ ግን ኩዌስችን ማርኩ የጥያቄው አካል ስለሆነ ውስጥ መግባት አለበት። ይሄ ሰውየው ነው የጠየቀው። ኢዝ ኤቭሪዋን ኦልራይት? ሁሉም ፒስ ነው አይደል? ሁሉም ሰላም ነው አይደል ብሎ የጠየቀው the first person ሪፖርት ሳይደረግ ማለት ነው። so the answer is B። 51ኛ ጥያቄ after the bake sale we were tired but very happy። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ክሎዝ ነው ያለው። so after the bake sale we were tired but very happy. B is correct. We use comma after an independent clause. 52ኛ the sun is shining, it's a beautiful day. answer is this one ራሱ ነው ትክክለኛ ፐንክቹዌሽን የተጠቀመው። ቢ ዩኒት እስኪ after the movie we went home። ሙቪ ካየን በኋላ ወደ ቤታችን ሄድን። so we had to use comma here። እዚህ ጋር ኮማ ነበር መጠቀም የነበረብን። ኦኬ እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ምንም ነገር አንጠቀምም። she has a pencil and a notebook። 53ኛ ጥያቄ which part of the letter is called the heading? በአንድ ደብዳቤ ውስጥ heading የሚባለው የትኛው ነው? that is the address and the date። አድሬሱና ዴቱ ቀኑና አድራሻው ነው ራስጌ በመባል የሚጠራው። which one of the following is true about memos and friendly letters? ፍሬንድሊ ሌተር የሚባለው ለጓደኛችን የምንጽፈው ደብዳቤ ነው። ሜሞ የሚባለው ደግሞ ይሄ ሜሞራንደም። that is the answer is anyway C. a memo is used for clear quick communication often at school or work። ስራ ቦታ ወይም ትምህርት ቤት አካባቢ ላይ የሚጻጻፉት የመግባቢያ ሰነድ ሊሆን ይችላል። easy quick and clear። 55ኛ ጥያቄ it's about summarizing a paragraph. Jack was very excited. Tomorrow was Saturday and his family was going to the amusement park. He wanted to wake up early so he would have time to eat a big breakfast and pack his bag. He set his alarm clock for 6:30 a.m. so he wouldn't oversleep and miss any of the fun. A. Jack set his alarm for 6:30 a.m. B. Jack was excited about going to the amusement park and set an early alarm. C. Jack's family was going to the amusement park on Saturday. D. Jack wanted to eat a big breakfast and pack his bag. The answer is B. Jack was excited about going to the amusement park and set an early alarm. Number 56. My little brother tried to bake me a cake for my birthday. He dropped eggs on the floor and the cake came out looking like a pancake. But it was the sweetest gift I ever received. This is an example of dash writing. That is narrative writing. ባለፈው የተከናወነ አንድ ነገር የሚተርክልን ተራኪ ድርሰት ይባላል። ፐርሱዌሲቭ ደግሞ አርጊውመንታቲቭ የምንለው ነው፣ አከራካሪ ድርሰት ማለት ነው። ሁለት ነገሮችን አንስቶ ኮንቪንስ ለማድረግ ኦኬ ቱ ኮንቪንስ ዘ ሪደር ገላጭ ማለት ነው። ገላጭ ድርሰት የአንድ ነገር ፕሮሲጀር የሚገልጽልን፣ ለምሳሌ ቡና እንዴት እንደሚፈላ or something how something is done። ላብራቶሪ ውስጥ አንድ ኤክስፔሪመንት እንዴት እንደምንሰራ ስቴፕ ባይ ስቴፕ የሚያሳየን or it might express a fact አንድን ፋክት የሚገልጽልን ነው። ዲስክሪፕቲቭ ራይቲንግ ዲስክሪፕቲቭ ኤሴይ የምንለው ደግሞ ስዕላዊ ድርሰት የምንለው ነው። አንድ ነገር ልክ ቃላትን ብቻ በመጠቀም ሰዎች ጭንቅላት ላይ ስዕል የሚፈጥር ማለት ነው። the answer is B። 57ኛ The library at our school is painted bright yellow and filled with cozy beanbag chairs. Sunlight pours through the big window, and you can smell the old books. It's my favorite place to read. It's most likely taken from dash writing. The answer is descriptive writing. ከስዕላዊ ድርሰት ነው ይሄ የተወሰደው። Why? It says painted bright yellow. በሰማያዊ ቀለም ተቀብቷል ምናምን እንደዚህ እያለ ይገልጻል። sunlight pours through the big window. የፀሐይ ብርሃን በትልቁ መስኮት ሲገባ እንደዚህ ልክ ጭንቅላታችን ላይ to make a picture. Number 58, the following sentences are jumbled. እነዚህ አረፍተ ነገሮች በቅደም ተከተል የተቀመጡ አይደሉም። ሶ አንድን ፓራግራፍ ለመስራት ብንጠቀም ኦርደራቸው የትኛው ቢሆን ትክክል ነው? the answer first። እንደዚህ አይነት አረፍተ ነገሮችን ስታዩ መጀመሪያ ሰብጀክቱ ያለበት it, this, that or something የሚሆነው መጀመሪያ ላይ አይሆንም። ምክንያቱም it is referring to something mentioned before። መጀመሪያ የተገለጸን ነገር ስለሚያመለክት ማለት ነው። The first one is this one. Deforestation is a major problem in tropical regions. This is the first one. So it means ይሄ መልስ አይሆንም ማለት ነው። ይሄም መልስ አይሆንም ማለት ነው። ሁለት አማራጮች ቀርተውናል። ከዚህ ቀጥሎ የትኛውን እንጠቀማለን ነው? So this one says 2, 3. This loss, which loss? We didn't discuss about. This loss አይገልጽም። ስለዚህ it have to be number 4. አራተኛ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Trees are cut down for timber and to clear land for agriculture. This is correct. C is correct. Which of the following is correctly spelled? በትክክለኛው የተጻፈው የትኛው ነው? Field. The answer is this one. ብዙ ጊዜ እዚህ ጋር ተመሳሳይ ሊመጡ የሚችሉት receive, for example receive ስንል አይ አትቀድምም፣ ኢ ነች ቀድማ የምትመጣው። ኦኬ እነዚህን ነገሮች ሲ ከሆነች ቀድማ የምትመጣው ኢ ነች። እቺን ነገር ፎከስ አድርጉ። deceive, receive. Number 60, which one of the following correctly spelled? Again, the answer is hygiene. A is correct. ሌሎቹ ልክ አይደሉም ማለት ነው። ይሄን ይመስላል። ቪዲዮውን ከወደዳችሁት ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር አድርጉላቸው። Thank you for watching.